Doy, tindog sa doy ha, kay I'm going to interview you. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, by the way, what's your name?
In Paradise.
Alan Paredes. So, who are your mom and dad?
Upper Paradise and Annalisa Paradise.
Alright. So, what are you going to sing then?
Ben.
Ben? Is it from Michael Jackson?
Yes.
Alright then. Okay, Doy? Music Maestro! Tarunga gito ha? Kaya yung kahubo ang kuan ba?
I'll help you.
Yung mabugtog yung ilang chinilas, Doy. Ay, ini pamina, mabugtog ilang chinilas. Alright?
Went to sleep no more. We both found what we were looking for. With a friend to call my own, I'll never be alone. And you, my friend, will see you've got a friend in me. Then you're always running here and there. You feel you're not wanted anywhere. Then you went from left behind and don't like what you find. There's something you should know. You've got a place to go.
Okay, sa tutuloy. Padayon.
I used to say I am thee. Now it's us. Now it's we. I used to say I am thee. Now it's us. Now it's we. There's people that turn you away. I will listen to what they say. They don't see you like I do. I wish they would try to. I'm sure they think again if they had a friend like that.
Okay, pang Britain's Got Talent ni Doy. Ha? Bakitan ka ni Simon. Okay, Doy, kung mudaog ka ni Doy, unsay imong paliton, Doy?
Wow.
Okay.
In English, please.
Okay.
And
Kung mudaog ka ni, palit kag toys daghan.
a private jet.
Hmm.
And the first one's TV.
Private jet costs like 13,000.
Okay. Mo ni iyahang big brother. Okay?
This is my idiot brother.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
All